Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of a super cute crochet 3D flower for Irish lace. I hope this video is helpful for you. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make 14 double crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2. Keep repeating. I crochet chain 3, then 14 double crochets in this circle. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a single crochet. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a single crochet. Keep going. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make a slip stitch in first space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, then make 5 triple crochets in this circle. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and last time. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a single crochet in same space. Make a single crochet in next space and repeat. Chain 4, make 5 triple crochets, chain 4, then make a single crochet. Keep repeating in all spaces. At the end of the row, chain 4, then make a single crochet in same space. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Now it's time to crochet same enough this flower. Start the slip knot, then chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Skip 3 chains, insert your hook into the fourth chain, then make 3 double crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, then make 3 double crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, and the last time. Repeat in all chains. At the end, chain 1, cut the yarn longer. Take your needles to connect the stamen to the flower. Wrap the stamen of this flower like this. Then connect with the needle. Fix your stamen, then connect to the flower. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for your consideration to this matter. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. I appreciate your feedback and your time. Thank you for looking. I upload new videos every week. It's time to say goodbye. See you later.